grab your paper and put the side you want to see face down. Once you do that, fold your paper in half to make a rectangle shape. Next, fold your paper in half the other way to make it a square. Next, open it up so you see a rectangle again. If you look closely, you will see a line along the middle of the rectangle. Take the edges and fold both of them to the middle line. Next, make sure the bottom of your paper is the side where the flaps are open. Once you do that, stick your finger in one of the flaps and push down. This will make a triangle shape. Align the creases on the paper to where I'm pointing right now. Repeat on the other side. Next, take your flap of paper here and fold it up as much as it will go. Now take that same flap and fold it down just a little bit. It's not an exact amount, just estimate, about this much. Then take the side flaps and fold them in again, over that. Now let's make it look like a piano. Grab the little tab that you folded over and pull it out. This will make the keyboard come down and make it look like a piano. Yay! We finished making our origami piano.